thought it wasn't taping. Now it's taping. Do you think James will give you a kiss, Blaker? Okay, why don't you see? Did he give you a kiss?
No.
Oh. Maybe if you say mwah, like that. James, did you down there and go back at Blaker? Huh. Oh well, maybe next time he will.
Uncle Dave said Blaker. Uncle Dave said Blaker.
Yeah? Uncle Dave calls you Blaker?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, that's nice. Très bien, James. Yay. Bravo, Blake.
Can I see it?
Sure. You want to see you on it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to stop it now, and then I'll show you. Here, do you want to say something funny in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, say something funny. You're funny. You ready?